Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video I'll be doing an Hermes unboxing, and these are the items that I've actually picked up the other day at the Hermes store. I got a chance to visit and pick up stuff. So anyway, I've purchased 3 items, and also the white one right there. Actually my essay gave that to me. And let me show you the first item right here. I am so excited for this, guys. The moment I saw this at the store, it's like, oh my gosh, that is the cutest thing ever. So let me show you what I got. It's right here. Oh my gosh. Look at that. The tissue paper all crumpled. You know what that tells me? It tells me that this has been recycled, or I don't know. I have no idea, but that's just an indication that this has been used. So anyway, yeah, apparently it has been recycled, but that's okay. So I got, look at that. Oh my gosh, the color is amazing. Let me just put the box aside, and wow. So this is what I got. Let me see. Let me start right here. Okay, so let me just open this completely so that we'll be able to see. Where is the, okay. So this is how it looks. So this is a leopard. This is a leopard silk muffler. Oh my gosh, as soon as I saw this, it's like, wow, this one is gorgeous. The orange color is so amazing, and I love leopard. Look at that. The detail of it is so beautiful. This is a muffler, guys. And another one right there. And it says right there the signature logo of an Hermes Paris right there. That is at the bottom. And I said, how many? I'm curious about how many leopard. Right here we have 1, 2, okay, 2, 3, and 3 and 4. This is actually on the other side right there. Okay, now I was able to figure it out. It took me a while to figure it out. Oh my gosh, this is actually very, very long, and I think the measurements for this is like around 70.9 inches. It is extremely long. My gosh, the pattern is so beautiful. Love the beautiful orange right there. The leopard is so beautiful. Wow. And this one is made up of, obviously it is 100% silk. And as usual, the edges right here, it is hand rolled right there. Very, very lovely. I love it. And let me just take a look at the tag. If there's, okay, I'm actually seeing the tag right now. So this is the tag right here, and it says this one is made in France right there, and it says dry clean only. And it's funny because I tried to look at on the website on how to take care of your silk. It says that do not fold it or tie it. It's like, well, no way, that's not gonna happen. Because definitely I'm gonna wrap this one around my neck, and of course I'm gonna have to tie it. And obviously you're not gonna, you know, just to make it sure that it's not gonna get wet, or do not use it when it rains. So that is obvious, but to tie or fold, that's crazy. But anyway, wow, the detail for this is absolutely amazing. The oversized leopard print is gorgeous. if you actually wear this, oh, look at that. And then this is the opposite side of it. Right there. They're facing each other's. Oh my goodness. It is so beautiful. And also, this is not a double-sided or reversible. Maybe you could use the other side of it. But yeah, this is how it looks at the back. So this is not like double-sided kind of thing. But I think this is cute too. Just like that. I totally love the print of these. And also, I think on the website, this color, I checked it on the website today. I think this color has been sold out. And they only have it in pink. But I think the orange with the leopard right here, I think it is actually a perfect color combination. It complements the color perfectly. Lovely. And also the detail at the corner, the white one, is absolutely amazing. And wow. And the price is actually, it's highly affordable as well, being an Hermes. And it is around, if I'm not mistaken, I would say it's $350 US. That's before tax. And yeah, that's how much it is. It didn't actually say here. And yeah, it didn't. Nothing was written here. Just the product code. Yeah, I might want to put the price, the exact price of this beautiful item at the description down below. And also, the next item that I got are these two items right here. And I've been using, let me show you what I've got first. So I have an agenda right here. This is the mini agenda. And I also have the size PM as well. Both of these, I've been using this all the time. And now, I also got a refill. Wow. What is this right here? Oh, okay. I've actually never seen this one before. Normally when you buy something, they don't give you anything else aside from that SKU number. So anyway, I got one, the unlined one. So let me show you how this one looks and how this one fits right here. And this one is actually, this one is priced around $30. Not bad as an Hermes though. The paper is really nice. So this is the one that I've got in this beautiful red color. Absolutely amazing. Oh, I love this piece. One of my most favorite agenda ever. And next, I also got one of these as well. I always stuff them. When I don't use my, I have several of these. Probably I have at least, if I'm not mistaken, I have 8 of this agenda. I always like switch covers from time to time to avoid wear and tear of the items. So pretty much like I didn't see any sort of wear on this because I switched them from time to time. And I have probably at least, I cannot remember how many I have, but I'm gonna do a video of that later on. But I have quite a few in these, and beautiful. I totally love it. So if I don't use one, I put this right there, the stuffing to keep its shape. And then let me see what I've got. This is on the size PM. And okay, there's also another one here for the product code. And okay, so let me show you right here. So I got the lined. That's because I'm using this to jot down notes, or when I travel at work and all kinds of stuff. So yeah, this is the lined paper. I think this is, yeah, it does seem to look like this one has grained though. The grain for this is so distinctive that you could literally, the paper is so different. I hate when the paper actually has grain. Like when you write something, it's just like moves upside down. Let me see this one right here. This one is, yeah, it has those grain. I wonder what's the name of the paper that they use. Chinook? I don't remember it anymore. I know my favorite paper that I've been using in some of my journal is like the Tomoe River paper, and I love that. This one has a very, it looks recycled paper though. It's actually very thick. I don't even remember. I mean, let me see my other one. So this is what I'm currently using right now. So let me see the paper. So the paper, yeah, it is actually similar, but the other one is so distinctive. Yeah, the grain. I'm a little bit surprised though. So anyway, that is the agenda refill that I've got. They are all my favorite. I love writing in it. It is so easy to use. It is like convenient. Everything is perfect. It's made up of leather. I love it. Definitely I would recommend if you are into an agenda. Yeah, I mean, yeah, these are the three that I have been using at the moment. Oh, the beautiful pop of color is amazing. Definitely gonna recommend this. And also she gave me one of these, and I think, yeah, I think this is a coffee table book that she gave. She put it in the bag, and pretty much, yeah, this is more likely the furniture and stuff. I'm not sure. I was hoping to receive the spring and summer though, but I'm not sure. So, but right now this is what she gave me. I always receive of a magazine each time I go to the store, and also sometimes in the mail as well. But right now, but yeah, this is very nice. Totally love this. Oh, the paper that they use, it's amazing. Very nice. This is actually really nice. Yeah, this is, oh my gosh, the passifolia right there, it's beautiful. Yeah, so anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.